It's time for
Eric Breaks.
And what Eric brought me was another, it's a, looking at it, it's a STIHL, STIHL, FS 111 RX, weed eater. It's used. This, like I've said before, this equipment is under, especially in commercial use, is under a lot of heavy scrutiny, and they're used, all day. No breaks, hardly. The durability is pretty remarkable. But they do break. This one needs a tune-up. I think that's all it is. He said it's losing power, and from my first glance, it looked like the plug was loose. They couldn't get in there and tighten the plug because it takes a special socket, which I now have. So we'll take it apart, clean it up. You can buy the tune-up stuff off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to that. It's about, I think, $10, something like that. It's not very expensive. And it comes with an air filter, a new prime bubble, and some other stuff. I'll show you that in a minute. So let's get into it. Okay, so let me show you what you get on Amazon. I think it was about $10. Like I said, I'll show you a link. You get a plug. You get a primer. I don't know what that is. It's for priming the little carburetor. It's on the side. Y'all know what it is. This goes in the hose in the fuel tank. It's a filter, and these get clogged because when they're using these things and they put gas in them, there's dust going all around and gets in the tank from their partner over there weed eating and everything. They don't take caution of it. They're into get gas in it, get going, and finish the job. They don't care what goes in the tank, as long as it's gas and it runs. So these get clogged quickly. And of course, your air filter, and they get clogged a lot too. Again, when they're weed eating and lawnmower and all that, there's a lot of dust and dirt and stuff in the air, and they do get clogged. But they never, they never tune them up. They just keep running them till they break. And like, hey Jesse, can you fix this? Okay, that's how it works. There's the air filter, and this is a good example. Look how dirty it is, and you can see debris. The inside of the cover is relatively clean. Usually they're not. And this one here is an exception, but yeah, we need a new one of these, and that's right here. Looks like it matches. It looks like it will work. So now we got to take this off so we can replace this thing. Okay, let's see if we can get the little filter out. It's right there. There it is. Oh yeah, see, they make it where you can pull that out and change it. See? Now, what you don't want to do is drop that hose. So I stick a screwdriver in the hose, but don't poke a hole in it. Do not do that. Now I can't lose it. And I got the new one. Oh, look. This is smaller than this one. Let's see what happens. Oh, it went on there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get a little tie wrap. I have some small tie wraps, and I'm going to do that. We don't want that going back down there, so I'm just going to put it like that. See? Let's go get a tie wrap. I always keep tie wraps and little hose clamps. I got all that stuff handy, so I don't have to stop what I'm doing and go to the auto store and buy it. So we'll just wrap it right around. We'll wrap it right below that deal. They don't give you a whole lot of hose to work with. I pushed it all the way on. We want to tie wrap it about right there. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see right here's the nipple comes down about right here. So you want to tie wrap it right here. Yeah, the little poke thing's right there. So you want to tie wrap it right up the, it's all at the top. Right at the top, actually, about right here. And I'll make sure it doesn't come off. Pull this as tight as you can. There we go. So why you need a special socket for this clearance right here? A regular socket won't get in there, but this one will. See that? I'm going to clean that off. 0.020. So I set this one the same way. 0.020. I like to put them hand tight. about like that, and then quarter turn, a little bit past. That's good. No tighter. Yep. All right. Alrighty, let's put it back together. Kind of anxious to see if it'll start. But it runs. And so until the next project, which is coming up here pretty soon, I'll see you. I don't know how to end these. So until the next project, no, that's not a good ending either. Uh, y'all have any ideas how to end these without me looking stupid or sounding stupid? I don't know. I'll see you on the next Eric Breaks. Bye.